How to get rich in the 2023 recession. What's up, guys? My name is Jorge Contreras, and I have built a six-figure-a-month Airbnb business with and without owning real estate. And I want to talk about this upcoming recession that I believe has already been here since the third quarter of 2022. But of course, they're not going to talk about it until the first quarter of 2023. That's typically the way we do it. Before I go into this video, guys, please hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. So here's what I believe. I believe that during the recession, there's going to be winners, and then there's going to be, should I say losers, or those who don't win? Like, I don't want to be mean, but you guys know what I mean. There's going to be winners, and then there's going to be those who don't win. Let's just call them losers in a very nice way for now. And I believe that one of the biggest differences is going to be the skills that you either have in order to recognize an opportunity and take action, or not having that skill. Therefore, when an opportunity is presented, you wouldn't even recognize it. So the number one recommendation I have for everybody watching this video is to acquire the necessary skills to be able to take action on opportunities that will be presented over the next few months. I believe that in 2023, there is going to be a massive opportunity to purchase real estate at lower interest rates than they are right now and at lower prices. So just imagine lower interest rates, lower prices, right? That sounds like a great deal to me. But if you don't have the skills, the experience, not even the experience, because the experience will come when you have the skills. But as long as you're acquiring those skills, you will be prepared to add a zero to your net worth. You will be in an opportunity to be able to go to the next level in your finances and in every aspect of your life. So here's what I recommend. Find somebody who has the results and outcome that you want and go and learn from them. This way you don't have to make all the mistakes or go through the learning curve on your own. Success loves speed. Why not buy into a proven system or model that's already been done? So like I said, it doesn't matter what industry you want to get into, just find someone who has the results that you want and go and learn from them. The second thing I recommend is to be very smart about your expenses. Don't overspend on things that you don't need, right? We have our wants and then we have our needs, right? Prioritize those needs. Prioritize building a savings account so you can be sitting on a stack of cash when those opportunities are presented. And all these wants, just, be smart about those. The third thing, and this is super important, is start a new side hustle. You need to start a new side hustle because you don't want to rely on a single stream of income. That's a very dangerous thing to do. In a recession, typically the last thing that happens, the last phase of a recession is unemployment. You don't want to wait until you get fired to then go and start a side hustle. You want to do it now so that hopefully you don't get fired, but if that happens, boom, at least you already have another stream of income that you can rely on, and boom, you'll be all set. But just do not rely on a single stream of income. And then the last step is, of course, invest your money and make your money work hard for you. But also be smart about it and don't over leverage yourself. If you guys are enjoying this video, guys, please smash the like button as it truly helps the YouTube algorithm. Seriously, guys, when you hit the like button, it's telling YouTube, the YouTube gods, that more people, should watch this video. So please hit the like button. And before you guys go anywhere, I have some more videos here that you guys should check out. And in the description down below, you're gonna find a link where you can book a free 15-minute consultation with my team to see if we can help you build a six-figure Airbnb business without owning real estate. So check out that link, book that free consultation, and make sure you guys also follow me on Instagram and check out my podcast, all in the links down below. Peace.